nakita kung ano yung importance ng prayer.
Even in the tidal wave, I'll stay.
Teary-eyed pa din ako. Hindi ko ma-wipe. Kain na kami. Breakfast. Yay!
Even if the mountains shake,
Ano ang
even if there's no rain, I won't sway. Come what may.
Do you look forward today?
Amazing Race.
Amazing Race. Tell us about Amazing Race.
Thank you before. Masaya. Kasi ano lahat ng lugar dito sa MM mapupunta halagang may station. So, yun sa swimming pool talagang bababa.
May paano
wala. Ano lang siya, may price. Prices.
Si Ate Ari.
You look forward. Special night.
Kasi alam niya
Bibirit siya. Bibirit. After ng ilang prep, oh my gosh, it's here.
This is it.
Same lang, special night din. Kasi hindi naman ako sporty Hindi ako nag-look forward sa Amazing Race.
Ano nilalook forward mo ngayong araw na to?
Amazing Race.
Wow.
So, na mag-swimming. Saka special night. Gano'n ba kasi ka-special yun? Special
Pati ikaw daw special.
This heartache,
A special night. I'm curious. How about the Amazing Race? Not really. I don't really like physical activities. Tulog na lang tayo.
For the Amazing Race.
Why?
Wala lang. I'm excited to, be with also other satellites since we're Team Yellow. And it's not only us, diba? Mixed feelings. Fun siya, pero may kadiring part because naka-blindfold kami. Tapos, yun, tinapon sa amin yung egg. Like raw egg.
Wait! So, ito ang aming schedule. Session 5 na kami, guys. Ay, hindi ko na nakuha yung notebook ko.
Sige niyo mga lang.
Ang ganda nila, be. Aesthetics nila.
Diba?
when I'm overwhelmed within from the weight of all my sin. I need a friend to call my own. I need a house to call my home. When I'm broken down inside and there's nowhere else to hide, I need a place where I feel known. Can someone help me? Then I hear you reply, bringing teardrops to my eyes, saying I'm not alone. I need you now more than ever. Would you put my heart back together? I searched the world to my heart just to find out your ways better. Your ways better. Your ways better.
Wait, I tell you, we can stand the problems, challenges, temptations of life. We can persevere and endure and finish well. Why? Because we are filled with the Holy Spirit. Can you see the clap of
Part of me even when I was messy. Now I see the art in your beauty, so I can finally sing out Jehovah Jireh, provider. Your way always gets me higher. Even on my darkest days,
Ano yung haba ng pila? Hinanap ko sila, naligaw-ligaw.
I need you now more than ever. Would you put my heart back together? I searched the world to my head.
ayun. Nagpe-prepare na kami for Amazing Race. And, mag-practice na. Nahanap ko aking grupo. Asan sila? Yun na yata sila. Hello, yung team Yellow! Di pa kami tapos mag-practice! Dapat pala may banana tayo. Banana!
Yes. So ang goal nyo, makumpleto nyo lahat ng puzzle pieces. Are you ready?
Team Yellow on the go! Celebration on the go! Let's do it! Let's do it!
You're always better. Oh Lord, you're always better. Jesus, you're always better. Lord.
Go! Hindi pa ako umalis.
Provider, your way always gets me higher. Even on my darkest days, you're a lighter.
Basang-basa.
Would you put my heart back together? I searched the world till my head hurt just to find out. You're always better. Oh, oh, you're always better. Jesus, Lord, I need you now more than ever. Would you put my heart back together?
String ball ka. String ball, basketball.
Good na ako, kuya.
Ano? Malupit.
You're always better.
Hi, hello.
Always better. Always better.
Sige. Kaya yan.
Ilang minutes na. Chat niyo mga.
Hila. Sige.
Guys, maglalaro lang kami. Guys, lipat daw doon. Lipat daw doon. Socks mo. Saan tayo? Ayan, lipat. Madudulas ka. Marami pa tayo. Lalaro na. Bulas na kami. Ready to swim? Kala mo doon. Waterproof yan, di ba? Halika na.
You bless me, everything you say make a way.
Hello.
Every part of me, even when I was messy. Now I see the art in your beauty, so I can finally sing out. Jehovah Jireh, provider. Your way always gets You're always better. Oh, oh. You're always better. Oh, oh. You're always better. Oh, Lord. You're always better. Jesus. Lord, I need you now.
Lumblum kayo. Nabasa lang ako. Baba yan, baba. Baba.
You're always better. Oh, oh. You're always better. Oh, Lord. You're always better. Jesus. You're always better.
Sayo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go!
Pero ako ba to?
Hi! This is Ray.
This is la.
Thank you for introducing me. Sakit na likod ko guys. Mag-swimming na kami. Tapos na kami. Pagod na talaga ako. Mag-swimming pa daw sila. I'm so tired. Hi guys! Sobrang bagal ko maglakad. Hala! Wow, look at that! Hala, ang ganda! Tapos na kayo? Wala, binantahan ko sila, tapos na sila.
Come on, man.
Yellow kami. Team yellow. Yellow. Bobby. Bobby sponsor. Please, ayun. Tingnan mo. Come on, let's go. We can. Let's go, guys. Okay na?
Dito, meron dito dispenser. Sa unahan.
Di maisubong.
And if a flood came, took place, even if there's heartache, I'll say.
Through this, there is hope.
But the miracle I needed was you. You changed everything.
Marami sa mga kabataan na yun, na talagang yung sineryosong commitment ang ginawa nila sa Panginoon na the Lord bless the desires of their hearts.
You
crowd, celebration.
I think here.
Tapos nagpunta na pala ng... Ayan! Ayan! Guys, ang ganda ng gitara, white. Nag-enjoy ako sa likod, walang ibang tao. I have my own space, worshiping God. Nagka-party ako, masaya naman. Namiss kita. Ayun, baby! Hindi pumunta ako ng room. Ang nabigay sa akin is student ID. Elisha! Yes! Anong card ba? Ano? Ay, school ID! Sabi ko, ano to? Ay, mukha mo! Sorry na! Ito, mali. Sorry.
Even if there's no way, I won't sway.
Going back. Uy, ano team niya? Team Yellow. Hi guys, parang PBB dyan, guys. Diba? PBB. Kim Chu ng Radical Retreat.